Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to resolve network looping and broadcast storms, which are typically caused by misconfigured switches, redundant cabling without loop protection, or faulty devices in a corporate office environment. Issue: network looping/broadcast storm. A broadcast storm floods the network with continuous broadcast/multicast traffic, often due to switching loops or misconfigured switches. Step-by-step resolution guide. Step 1. Identify symptoms. Observe users reporting slow network speeds or complete disconnections. Check switches and routers. LEDs may blink rapidly or constantly, indicating heavy traffic. Ping test. Latency spikes or timeouts indicate congestion. Spanning tree logs. Check for topology changes or STP events. Step 2. Disconnect suspected loop sources. Temporarily unplug non-critical Ethernet cables, especially those connecting multiple switches together. Start with newly added switches or patched areas. Monitor if network speed/stability returns after unplugging. Step 3. Log into the core and edge switches. Access each switch via SSH console cable or web interface. Run commands like show MAC address table, show spanning tree, show interface status, show interface counters errors. Look for MAC address flapping or the same MAC on multiple ports, a sign of looping. Check for excessive input/output errors on interfaces. Step 4. Verify and enable spanning tree protocol, or STP. Prevents loops by logically disabling redundant paths. Ensure STP is enabled on all managed switches. Spanning tree mode, rapid PVST. Use, show spanning tree. Identify root bridge. Make sure ports are correctly blocking and forwarding. Step 5. Check for misconfigured ports. Disable port fast on any ports that connect switches. No spanning tree port fast. Enable BPDU guard on end user ports to prevent accidental loops. Spanning tree BPDU guard enables step 6. Isolate the physical loop. Gradually reconnect cables one at a time. Wait and monitor switch logs STP after each reconnection. Once the storm reoccurs, you've identified the loop source. Fix the loop by removing redundant cabling or properly configure link aggregation LACP if multiple links are needed. Step 7. Upgrade firmware, optional but recommended. Some older switch firmware versions have bugs in STP or loop detection. Check with the manufacturer for updates. Step 8. Set storm control, preventive measure. Enable broadcast, multicast storm control. Interface, Gigabit Ethernet. 0/1 storm control broadcast level 10.00. This limits broadcast traffic to a safe threshold. Step 9. Document the fix and educate staff record which ports were affected and how the loop occurred. Train staff on. Avoid plugging multiple ports between switches. Not adding unmanaged switches without approval. Summary. Task and description. Identify. Look for flooding symptoms and high broadcast traffic. Isolate, unplug cables, and narrow down the loop source. Enable, STP. Ensure all switches have STP enabled. Prevent, use storm control and BPDU guard. Document, record fixes and prevent future issues. Would you like a custom checklist or network diagram example to assist your team further?